mi pinto un pintura pa' mostrar porque mitad. Prima la taquera de mi mes mitad tasa. Cristóbal no da algo suficiente le vaya. Si tari petróleo dirá peinando a mi lugar. Like mi pinto un pintura pa' mostrar porque mitad. Prima la taquera de mi mes mitad tasa. Cristóbal no da algo suficiente le vaya. Si tari petróleo dirá peinando a mi lugar, no. Peinando a mi lugar, no. A mí mostrar porque mitad, no.
Welcome to the OnBrand Podcast. Esaki, the vibe di Bonaire. I think it's very fitting. By Wiwi, Luis Mocha, Zimba of Zimba, and Dogizi. Nós temos little vibe di Bonaire out, eh? See what I did there? It's only fitting, you know what I'm saying?
Sinti de mi pecho como corazón tares. Mito shibuneiro alla meshes en zo hey. Paso mita tengue place. Sinti de mo pecho como corazón tares. Lora canti awa arriba che kumeri chen. Ora kubo sinte vibe, I know you wanna stay.
Hey.
Baby girl. Lora bimbo naire. Papo sinte dushi aire. Baby girl, mita gusta bova. Begundi ki pa mina bu
Slow wine, guys. Não te gusta vibe of Kiko. Laga sa si busan te gusta e intro songs na. No si não te gusta, boti mak ti kita keto. Si da boti mak. Esa que tropa vibe di Bonaire, vibe di Bonaire, ang ito bisa. Okay, y'all inspect this one.
Si natin kriyolan dyan.
Sí, no, it was a nice switch up. Then the bass as well. Sabay ang koro mas. Di Bonaire, bota guste vibes. Di Bonaire. Kung gusto a vibe or what? Let us know in the comments. Share, like, and do all those things.
Everybody. Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast.
Yes, sir. Podcast, Pamungkas, whichever you know. See.
The same.
Sis pa miripiti, say about the vibe di Bonaire manantabisa. Di Wiwi, Luis Mocha, Zimba of Zimba, Minusakwa, and Dogizi. Off of Wiwi's album, collective album actually, themed Vibe di Bonaire, self-titled, released in 2023. So, two the vibes nang kuno play on this podcast. The link in the description kaya OnBrand music playlist. Two the songs that in chronological order. You don't have to go search for them. They're right there. So like, share, and si buting songs na bukitende kung not to get copyright strike. Buting makti mana nang ding OnBrand to DMs. Or we will keep providing you with the vibes. You know what to do, Im?
Naman Shell.
Anto awe.
Mira.
I'm back.
Listen tayo no special guest. Kuta familiar face. So
Yes,
visual
sir.
si bati akinana foi begin origin story di OnBrand Podcast. Ikaganata cara desconheci Pabo.
Right.
We're sat here with the only Rudina Gomez. Aplauso to
Okay. That was the last one. Pero basta it's fitting. Also, nos team freaking ayan tabi no, Rudina tabi it never happened. And now we're here.
24 de dia.
Sí.
No.
De dia, sí. No hay idea.
Dia ayan to dos. Pero si basta no sa, basta no po kinanang Rudina tanus former producer die OnBrand Podcast, ito unin ng ayuda nos. Foi ding begin, itabo ta party die OnBrand Podcast. Dus from, meeting idea ki, Mikes kau ikujayim, Kenny produces for us. Rudina tasi everything, the like production ito behind the scenes, in front of the camera, editing.
On the side.
Zie, toen ik kon tegelijkertijd.
I was running around.
Zie. Dus de sei base pa seguro 2 anos.
2 anos.
2 anos. Então, Renata mais kujis nos former podcasters, mas nós vai dentro de essa conversação de awe. Dina contar kubo, how are you doing?
How are you doing? The check-in.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm a little nervous. But other than that, I'm good.
See?
Yeah.
Okay. Mas mag je punten die komen nervous?
I mean, it's been a long time coming for, the episode. Pero también I don't like to be in front of the camera.
Yeah.
So.
Nada, no release ako kita. We're not even recording.
It's just for fun.
We're not even
Just for
recording.
fun.
This is just a
Yes,
pre-recording, yeah. No, pero hopefully, the episode aqui, nós estamos em pre-production, dus nós também keep it to, coisa nós queremos talk about. Hopefully, nós provide good environment time para o mês, então para nós, have fun. Because at the end of the day, se não tá fun, why are we doing it for?
Sim.
Exactly.
De que era bom para pena não conhecer de nós dynamic de nós três juntos. Introduzir para mês. Quem é Rudina, que o da na OnBrand.
Right. Kung nagbabisa ka, pero okay, mi nombre es Rudina Gomez, mi tabo Neriano, ese intro song. Makumisa as 1/3 the OnBrand, as Mane Angela Bisacaba, the producer. Next to that, eigenlijk mi ta defini mi mes como een multidisciplinary producer e storyteller. Ku multidisciplinary mi keman ku mi den laatste 5 anos, maar letterlijk was 5 anos active. Den laatste 5 anos mas diferente form of production. Maar kumisa ku visual arts después 2 anos com OnBrand until right now mi ta bezig ta bayendo richting die film. Pues it's been exciting, it's been fun. Yeah, sowieso mi kere dingen podcast mi papio mas say.
Okay, nice. Angela, me napunta how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm okay. Leuk. It feel like a full circle trobe. Salim ko cap. Full circle trobe na nos origin story. Ons está nos tres. Ons está nos white table. Ons está podcast con one little mic. And then nos sin no setup. The kids are growing up.
Yeah.
It's very nice to see that.
Ora camarada beta kita kaya fo.
Kaya na pasa today.
For multiple reasons, which we will not go into. Yes.
Ora hinda tapa bora pa fo.
Oh, wow.
Ora mo chandong pa fo. Ora ka chota ko grita.
See, ako hindi yan bora pa for ting kermes pa for. So,
Sí.
we
Sí.
upgraded to even more noise.
Sí, correct.
Somehow.
Correct.
I don't really know how that happened, but okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Kanta ko mo stream.
I'm fine. It's hot. Though I have me shoulders out, but it's one mira bosan tu nachi bistin. Okay, I guess I gotta put some kind of effort in. Also, I would look nice.
Shoulders out.
See, but it look different, or I'm eating shoulders out. Something man.
Decent.
Okay. See, well, there you go. So that's why I have a black shirt on in this scorching heat.
Right.
See.
Okay.
So yeah.
Nou, punt bang back na sowieso OnBrand. Toen koku basi dos ayan largo. Toen koku bo nos from ground up bahasi.
Yeah.
Dus hoop die bo skill sets nang passed on
Right.
us. Kita ta bo ervaring. So ko kita di episode tami ko. Toen ik dat ever curious ko na snapper ka sa the first one. That's never been the case.
See, nanda punta pa the streets is
nanda
asking.
punta
That's
pa,
nice. That's
Zoom-
nice.
zoom
That's nice
tagay,
to
no?
know.
See.
Bisa nang ko, Rudina harta sayang bye for yung brand and then was that the truth, which we're not gonna talk about today.
No.
See,
No.
by days. No, pero see.
No, pero hindi kaya nice to say mani kita ba tabo ervaring. Di kaya ko sowieso working with friends on brand. Itambe kiko make a decision di mani. Okay.
Yeah.
Ginang the end of the story for me.
Okay. Sí, man, iba bisa ka ba no sa kumisa day one, letterlijk day one. Mi te kere ta bom pa bisa ku sempre idea tabata ku OnBrand with Angel and Dream. Dus nunca eigenlijk misa tabata dilant di camera. Pero eventualmente ik was a kumisa, okay, no, episode promebo misa tapes, okay. And then it, la bayasina. Pero sí, it was definitely a fun experience. Masih hopi timi mes tambe. Both on a personal level and on a professional level. Kiko mi no ke. Wait, what was the question again?
Kita tabo ervaring untuk OnBrand, então Kiko uiteindelijk tabata decision die, okay, me ask to look me Mr. Asi, that me ready for the next thing.
Sí. Me te kere. Should I elaborate more on prometo me by denk ik decision? Okay. Kiko turma sia.
No hacía nada.
No hacía nada, ma teach so.
No, okay, bom. Pero bisa say, sí, bira party die team pa eigenlijk me apasa me kennis die production over pa busna binku idea, and we were like, okay, we have idea. I don't know how to get it to the actual thing. And ungos kumi abing realiza mi te kere brand tabata best wel parte die say taku mi ta hobby bong ding kue idea ando hibe as parte di execution. Mi pod dissect un idea into like smaller parts of like ask questions and kuta llega na okay, this has to be defined, and the take pa ora no siga uiteindelijk execution. Dus final product, correcto. Dus ese man si kubos nang and asino sa sige until by a next step. And pasaga into that mesura sempre mi tabata sa fe ora makumisa nunca te quer along the way ma comunicase, pero sempre mi tabata sa ku ese mi propósito de OnBrand. Hecho que mi te pasa el conocimiento over, pero también ayuda bosan lanta lo que bosan que logra. Anto y después ahora mi lo haya señal, mi intuition lo bisami que okay, it's time for the next step. Anto ese ya pasa también, ese pasa hobby mas pro me comunique te quiere pero estaba de hobby difícil para mí para sobra working on OnBrand apone ko OnBrand también bane bira mane mi you sempre mabisa mo sa mane se bastante others ando amita e madrina pero like as bota interact kubo iha in this case.
Okay.
Kubo yaga by leave iha
masha fácil. Sí, but I get attached to it.
Some of y'all be doing that. Stop.
Cut the camera. That is.
Sí, dus ma get attached to a idea and estava difícil para mim take a step back. Pero manera sempre vida ta si bono tena di bo intuition, bira ta by mostrabo, kubo mese tu me stap. Antes é lo que pasa. Pa by
Pa me kubo sigi tambe. Ik ook te bij back hoping na nos conversation, nos primeiro podcast back tambe despe rebranding. Kwam James dat pa afton heart to hearty. Kiko tura passa, pessoa tá tem momento quando você tem que sair com Rudina tambe. Caminha estava um really difficult hard conversation. Mostly Ami Rudina crying.
Yep.
The Ami
so
just
James trying to figure it out. James trying to figure it out.
Looking like a psychopath in the call. It's fine.
Pero James tu in the bot, que man lo que me será la visa. Então, ele sowieso nos me será atender, pero gewoon it was just hard decisions needed to be made. Dus
Dan moet ik een hard decision ding look uiteindelijk op een kutame bab Mr. Abai. No, dat is een kokuta echt in bo control.
Sí. That's right.
Like, en het een ko dembo control. Dus met de kere inang abo po amplio. Tige maar staan to riba.
Yeah.
Kiko say tata. Pa sowieso pa bomes a walking make it clear ko. She wasn't stealing money.
No, it's stealing money.
Dat kost nou echt.
As far as they're concerned, as far as this edit, she stole money. It's fine.
Ai. No, maneira mabisa worry ko na momento ko ba natin di bo intuition. Pira tabay mostrabo ko essa me se passa anyway. Anto de mi caso sei tabata ako pa temporada basta largo mi me confronta ko problema com saúde. Anto se me se corda back e momento que nós tinha conversação com acaba mencionar tabata pic de lo que me estava passando dentro. Pues que it was either me ta get out of here or me ta queda anto who knows what would have happened. E não estava beneficial tampoco para o team, pero tampoco no para mim mesmo. Anto mim mesmo estava hobby honesto com mim mesmo. Anto me estava saco elo a llegar aí nana. Sowieso bom da primeira conversation, pero me dava sasi para tempo que mirando com mi saúde estava indo. Anto e me tinha essa aqui também me não para carga e responsabilidade mais. Pues aí a conversação é orei, anto orei a minha jalapia atrás, e estava hobby difícil, atrove da minha hija. Pues pero me será ciele. E transição aí também abai com eigenlijk minha carreira completa me será gewoon stop. Que estava hobby difícil. Passou para me um gente que tem hobby paixão para o que me tá fazendo. Anto para me se põe stop na algo de hobby paixão pe, lo que prometo essa ia passa me tava daí sim de maneira me tá chamar pe, e temporada é echt põe que me me tá like is this really what I'm supposed to do of me queda bisa me mesmo que assim hobby que ma querer sei também sim mi propósito.
Ela vira self-fulfilling prophecy.
Sí. Anto pues mi mesmo era gewoon stop. Anto me te querer amigo Angel sowieso like next to what y'all see potting we're also friends, we're also great friends. Anto amigo Angel be having like deep conversations. Anto me te acorda viaje no sa papi over the I lose my thought process. Shit.
Cool. Nós tá friends next to potting and the business, quote unquote. Nós tá also friends. And we have a conversation about.
Sí, well, ik was even not the car.
Damn. I thought I smoked it.
In relation to taking a break, come in, of mas die mani si beto pa di convince po mes di hasa ko benotamento pa se waki.
Sí. Good. Ela been back. Wow. Okay. Hey.
I didn't think I would get that.
Ay. No. It is shit.
No.
No.
What you're meant to do. Sometimes divine timing.
Sí. No, that's definitely it. Pero ku tin cierto biada en vida também mostrava como me se sinta quieto.
Yeah.
Anto ora bo sinta quieto, mundo não tá stop. Ande sei tá hobby difícil. Passo bota mira cultura ende, of hobby ende, vooral social media obviously. Tu neta share com a bona. Anto tu neta vai dilante. Anto abo só tá com que para. Anto e porta driba diferente área. E porta e área profissional, pero e porta e área personal também. Anto esse tá lo que com mim me será assim tanto mira tu rende for a long time. E não estava fácil next to just a journey miss com mi saúde alone. It wasn't easy. Pero den parte minha sinha que cada gente tem um path. Cada gente me se cada gente tem outro path bacana. Anto in nada nota marana edad, nada nota marana. Anything eigenlijk die mundo. Bota gewoon, bota manda aqui para base algo, anto that's what's gonna happen. You're just gonna have to wait. Tem um momento que coisa começa a passar trobe, of coisa passa para seguir para adiante. E mi pobisa também que esse abuta que não laga mi business aqui. Tudo lo que me passa dentro, me será passa para me importar caminho me tá aqui. If that didn't happen, a walk in não passa. Anto ela take a long time para me abin realizar isso, pero one thing that I'm very grateful for is mi habilidade para compreender signs. Importa signs, importa. Depende de que você quer dentro, obviously, você quer Deus, universo, blá blá. Pero me puedo compreender com vida tacana. Vida timbia você passa tem coisas bom, timbia você passa tem coisas não bom. Então me puedo compreender que hora é seasons não tá switch, I guess. Que hora Deus tá para que hora boa intuição tá para que timbia Deus tá para via boa intuição também. Anyway, essa não tem conversação aqui, pero em todo geval, vamos ser por compreender how it goes. Anto habilidade e dimi abuta ku yes, I was in a low moment for a while, pero ora quando passa, de mes ora bota passando em quando não compreender, pero al final you reflect back and tu mira, man, okay, this had to happen.
Pero tem momento que tão pouco dura basta largo.
Sim.
Na kiko energia, em vez de focus sobre a whole career driven. Yeah. Till this day, you're very career driven.
Yep.
Se nothing é sei mais, kiko Rudina me será focus de você.
Tem um momento que se passa, I didn't know. Pero ma bem, basta ora que é coisa que bota assim na focus de você caia fo. Bota abre para outra coisa que você tem vida. Então esse período a mostrar-me que com mais me que quando diz carreira tá bem importante. Então tá parte de quem me tá de como me tá aqui nanan. Pero com banda de sei me também que the simple things. Quem me tá assim, who am I? Not like as a creative, as a producer, as a storyteller.
Lo que me tá hasi.
Se lo que me tá hasi. Quem me tá echt. Anto dat período é assim a mim, sei de mim, mas assim a de mim mesmo, style of vida assim a mim.
Sorry, vai.
Não, tá bem.
Não, que vai putra.
Não, babisa ko okay, quem me tá sim bo career. O budo não sou nyapa de quem botar sim bo career because se não nós only quer para de bo career.
Right.
Kita algo ku basinha of those koran di quote unquote simple things ku evidently not as simple.
Yeah.
But also important. Kiko te konai ku bo a descobrir den a journey. Basta mij die a career eigenlijk.
Pa ay di am dai putra. Kiko ba hasi pa boye ga na ikoi.
Good question.
I mean,
Nanto bo si
nanto
to ko
sa-
ko na hun.
Kumasi. Yeah, I'm a buy back. Panero. For a long time. Ja, eigenlijk mi miste erbij gewoon. Pero my buy back. Spend more time with family. Ma pur bata intentional também com my friendships lang. Mind you, while this was happening, mi tava gewoon mane bisa turende. Ana mi te paso stage. Ana mi te paso. At some point, I can't keep up with the lies. Pero gewoon mi notaba de que era. Mi notaba de que era. No necesariamente admitir, pero it's no one's business. You know?
The movies na di como te no te boas asunto. You can't say that either.
You can't
gotta
say that either.
something.
With
So
some
instead
people,
of like
some people,
spotlight, yeah.
I mean, yeah. See, I would say sorry to those people.
Then again, I feel like there would have been a way, see, but not say not about asunto and to still not say que actually kota. But como mita ginambo so mita pinamborado pa mita sin falta caso.
But I didn't want to admit that. Because
see, now that's different. So you're not lying.
Yeah, paso.
It's like I don't even want to say what it is. So now I'm saying whatever.
I didn't want to.
Okay.
Anto, wak, eko ko baka bisa worry to me admitting that I failed. Anto,
So but equating being cast back como failure, which it's not.
no asine. Mina que man asine, pero mi que man in the sense of kumi mesara to mun break of asine. It felt like, ding momento, it felt like I failed.
E tem hora assim, eu bisa ecos, eta se mais real.
Sí, ando.
Sa listas na amita ervaring.
And we also, like, Laganos de Franco, we also come from a culture that is like, Angusta Papia, Angusta Judge. And I just didn't want to be put in that position. Kaminaku, I was creating a image of myself that I didn't want other people to think of. Me, dus ma choose to say whatever came to mind in that moment. Dat imbia si ko cierto yun mabisa ko what was going on. Pero ese también tata un proceso para mí assim aqui ko mita bisa también. Ando aqui ko minota bisa. You know, so it was a process. It was a process. Pero ma queda bonero pi largo. Ando ko te tiene pensa ko ma move back. See, ma move back. Yeah. And at some point, I just started existing. So hindi puntra mi tamani avoid the question of. It was a practice. Pero sí.
Pero bayendo back cast também, kiko ba hanya ting bomis. So I'm thinking at some point também bomis era been back.
Sí.
Pero quando ko babay, of ora ko babay ko bomis era been back, kiko ba leave ko ni di bomis. Deskubo assim di bomis.
I'm sorry about the bash into un sistema, pero the medical system not atra. Ku eigenlijk mi abay back pa sobra akinanang they weren't doing anything. Basically, bota guardo binta anto do this. Take this medication as a guinea pig. Anto sing sa eigenlijk if it's gonna help or not. Anto den uene ko ta malu, mi ta tene ko ki hopi. Pero den uene ko ta malu bota boke pirabong, boke take whatever it is and to feel better and you don't and nanta mane okay no nos me se así tal cosa no me se bebe otro ko. No, I want to get better and the timbiata ambeko nanta bisun ko ante kono ta club. So at some point mi mira ko hinan to ayudami, mi mesa ba si research hanya sa certo koslang and then they tell me like the complete opposite. I'm like, okay, so who's smarter? You know? Dus mi mis me zara gewoon take matter into my own hands. And do what I had to do to make myself better. Anto yeah, sí.
Qual el problema não tá kita o being back Holanda. Banha abo despe ko bo mesera pone bo life on hold. Ko bo mesera aceitar of como tá hinke den palavra. So tinha hora nós pensa nós vai back Corsol, nós vai back Bonaire and the problems just go away.
So,
But eventually but tinha being back.
right.
Anto batang yawon back thing e mesum beboli ikoi.
It depende because
not really.
a problem na to Holanda siguro.
No.
Problem that minota healthy.
Tipo,
Una ko mi buy, I'm still not healthy.
That's what I mean. Pero se bata being back nung kami na Bonaire, itaron na nari família.
Sí.
Na Bonaire, e no tenho pensa de work,
Loved
mesmo
ones.
coisa.
Sí, pero esa notaba da echt coisa pessoa sempre me tinha drive.
Gee, she would love to think about work. Like,
At
well, you
some
could.
point, pero like sowieso being so long na castback, dat gewoon vibing. Nos guste.
Yeah, vibe di Bonaire.
Sí, exactly.
Beneden.
I was just vibing, pero I knew Siku.
It's a bad vibe at some point. Sí, pero eso botok bumes bisa ko okay. Hindi ko accepta ko great vibe, but also mita gina for a reason. Ando giga reason ta ando di ko. Masama ka man? So, yeah.
Sí, dus at some point we sarap being back in verdad. Pero mi taba ta driven or ma being back. Mi taba ta klapa by, go all the way. I was feeling better. Pues ora ma being back. Mi sa lalaga like a lot of things atrás, which were close to my heart. Pero
For example?
I don't want to talk about that.
Okay. Not a problem.
Censored.
Sabi sige.
Censored.
Kiko te kono ko ba name me. Te ko mai kono ko ba laga bai. Kito kono gusti ba name me hulanda.
You mentionar ku eri para pa abo.
Okay.
A distinction di when I need to stop. So, kwam de elaborate ku e problema bosa ku tabay tape you felt better. Dus basi bomes atuma e zelfstandigheid. Bij busca que konanta.
Yeah.
Dus bonobim back man bashi de sensi tiki mas I guess authority.
Sí.
Di bo mes e di bo health. E também kiko por kiko no por.
Sí. Sí. Dingen en verdad, dingen trayectoria. Die pasa diferente, caminda, diferente tipo de práctica de medicina. In verdad, me being seeing I have to take matters into my own hands. It's me and not them, like with a professional telling me what to do. Pero juist andersom, this is what I feel. Ando. Eigenlijk timbia exigi kiko bomester. Ando, pero también take matters into your own hands. Like, si no te basta waar je na de uma manera, explora possibilidad na kiko otro ding. Ando, si me se sale febos mes un saco, by all means, but you have to be better. You have to feel better. Dus in verdad, ik zei, maar being back eigenlijk, nung winko, mi que mas ko jis mi carrera. Ik zei, tambe. Maar sim, eigenlijk tende die mi curva. Sí, all of that. Yeah.
En toen, met de dive toch wel ook een tiki dembo carreira. Bota sata, amigo, bono boto ma meso tanto coisas mas.
Sí. Sí.
How did that make you feel? So, ainda bota driven, ainda me ting pasi pa logra hopi cos, pero no pa bay ding imenso tempo e mas.
Sí.
How does that change you?
Sowieso, tende die mi curva.
Pero me ding bota tu ma menos project because of that. Bosaki ora, sorry. Que tipo de project bo pa kwe tambe ora e?
Sí, mas sim, en verdad escoge. Kiko sí, kiko no. Que me mani, por ejemplo, con OnBrand, mi taba así everything at some point. Anto, mas sim, I don't like editing. It takes a lot from me. It takes a lot from my body. Balans is ook importante. Sowieso, din trabaho, pero también din gewoon life versus work. Y это algo me enseñando ainda, que man. Pero, sí, those.
Esa poco me gusta editing. But here we are.
Here we are, yeah. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Sí.
Vamos a llegar a un punto así que, para mí, si vos tienes suficiente fondo o si vos tienes suficiente resources para pagar un otro ende, así es. So, I walk, no necessarily segue into that yet, pero lo que me está haciendo aquí, que te film, bota sia, que vos mister de otro gente.
Yeah.
Anto, but no puedo hacer turcos, porque si no puedo hacer un Tyler Perry movie.
Yeah. Well, no sa din suficiente fondo, pero babay ko na. This.
Yeah.
Bawar tanda ko na wega. No, pero transitioning inderdaad into lo que bota haciendo work, right? So, no sa conocer Rudina ku tata que turcos ku tata turcos OnBrand. Boom.
Sí.
So, no sa conocer Rudina ku ako misa phase out the okay. Yeah, me no get in front of the camera. So, let me focus more on this. And then being behind the camera and then dealing with personal mental health issues ku tumani, okay, I can't do this. So, no sa tinidi Rudina worry ko abay, go back to the roots. And then to bisa, buy back, pabus ka vibe di bonair.
Mirais.
Yes.
Correcto.
By
Y'all
terwijl...
know.
Sí, by anto sabiendo que, okay, mi me se vaya, pero no pa Kiko, while being there después, no accepting why MSACC, después accepting it, and then después being Ulanda back, ku idea de, okay, mi tengo no solamente tiene de mi culpa, mi tengo also saki ko mi que, not only mi que hasi, pero también que mi time stay pa mi por stay and get better. Okay, so now,
So because
No.
but that's what happened, right?
Sí,
That's the
sí,
story.
sí,
Mr.
sí,
Big
sí.
storyline.
Because
pwede na.
the money wait, I mean, me get lost.
No, pero tiene, basta como se tiene, un entrevista va que para que aqui, então um ainda cana passa para trás. Então não pick up
pay
nada.
attention, yeah.
Dus ela cana net in nada, let me, okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
let me start the walk. Você sabe que
Okay.
man? So that was the recap. Zodag.
Sí.
That was the recap. So,
Dus post beanbag area.
sí, post bring back. Als jij la punta worry, die lo que botas in the walkie. That's what you asked the way, toch? What does it look like now? Anto kiko te konanku for sure, but abisa, okay, this is a non-negotiable para me. This is a non-negotiable. This is who I am. This is what I need. Anto, how does that look like now? Dembo current life anto dembo future.
I'm thinking. Then non-negotiable que Pokémon personal of Pokémon professional.
Banku is a professional because but take un break uratu and then you started back. So
Sí.
kiko do non-negotiable career-wise.
sí.
Me te focus op
bijvoorbeeld?
een koos.
Okay.
Me no po multitask or shit. Me no po multitask and I had to accept I say. Me ta hobby mas ja, dat bij een personal even, pero me ta hobby mas me ta skohe. Me mag skohe. Kiko Sí.
Mi mag
Mi no
skohe.
me ser tu maturcos ku bingi dilante. Pero pa bo posa ese bo me se saki ko bo propósito den bo carrera of den vida whatever it is. Bo me se sa ese.
Mi mag skohe. That's a good one.
Sí. Sí.
That's a good
Sí.
one.
Dropping
Which I think,
gems.
I think it's a hope importante actually. So tingin adam de que no estamos desenhando of this ami tam desenhando aqui. Mi no me se tuma tukos, dis pa tuma tukos pa ervaring.
Correcto.
Mas het is bom para ter ervaring, para ter certa coisa align, hope mas minho, se eu for intentionally tuma tempo, of do na bo tempo na esse.
Me digo offer me pushback para nós por have a conversation.
Conversation, okay, is goed.
Boti mag die skohe. But what if in theory boti mag die skohe, yes. But what if boti verplichtingen paku otra en también de lo que bota haciendo? Because a mi po see un world, un alternative reality man dark matter. Go watch that show. Caminda someone made that choice for you of paso boti verplichting paku otra en mi por see a world caminda bota sin no, I have to be here or I have to do this and I can't make that choice. In theory, mi saco met die macht es je, pero in real life, mi no ta sin mi por make a choice.
Atroveta depende da situação. So lo que me está ganhando for the
Mi question.
See, but question, taku, is it a moral thing or is it like an actual obligation in realidad? So if it's a moral thing, then you have to go internal and see what the intuition is saying, you know? Or pray if that's what you do, of journal, whatever. Pero if it's an obligation, yeah, me te quiere, basta commit to it na un cierto punto, pero me sabe boundaries. Si bo bisa, bo analisar que no, te aqui me te tra, si bo por así, then stop.
Yeah. Was that something sorry?
So, no, também quando estava pergunta, que a mim pensa que depende da situação, mas também que boa aspecto aí com a pessoa aí. Se você se botar pouco para ser no com mas cena, botar obligations na nang também. Dus bobo make a decision aí, pero se tu pouco para ser um groepsverband, it think make sense for everybody else também. And then não decisão que tu diz, você também está toma.
Yeah. I think in life, di lo que ama siya, bueno, mi te quiere de manera que ami ta wired tambe. Ami nota lead usually with what I want, the lead usually with what needs to be done. This as much as in theory you will be saying, oh no, mi te gana ese cocky, this is what I need. 9 times out of 10, we're not, mi não tá mesmo em positions de, look at me que, me tá mesmo em position de, nobody else is doing it, so I gotta do it. Dus mi não tem space for me make a choice A, pa man bisa, oh, I don't have that. I don't feel, it either, 9 times out of 10, mi tá mesmo either hasi eko, of nobody's doing it.
Right.
So how do you balance that thing? Is situation nang work sowieso beting a boundary A. But even as a person that works in the industry kami na bota ding, ting cierto area nang di bo role kubo mister hasi kubo no tingani hasi.
Sim, aceita bem de tour. Aceita bem de tour. Pero mi saco a misa é umbrella. E sei mi que assim sim.
Okay. Dus bota willing to compromise still within that umbrella, but llega
Sim,
a goal
aceita
di.
parte de trabalho.
Yeah.
Então tem coisas que eu gosto, tem coisas que eu não gosto, pero you have coisa é umbrella. Umbrella. Se me que assim, qual tá produce. Dus
Whatever falls within there,
Yeah.
potam di nyapa kimi no tingani hasi, if it still feeds the ultimate goal, you're willing to make that sacrifice. Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Sim.
That's good.
Sim.
That's good. I like that.
And the walking, share with us, share with the peoples. Que Rudina producer tá haciendo? Because you're not producer for us anymore.
No, we're not. I'm not.
Pero me sabe about the dibbling and dabbling still.
Sí.
And the dibbling.
Ito
dabbling.
Dabbling.
Okay. To run it back a little. Ano passado, na September, me tungin ko by film festivals. And one of those ko me by for years the NFF, the Nederlands Film Festival. And there's two things I go to, the professional day and the talent day. Die kong paso me gewoon me gusta tende ki otro professional na tabisa, like it ayuda me define a path kumikana. Anto inana po posko eki bota bay un seminar ya bota bay bottle bota bay, you know, anto na Italian day sunga ita professional day and the Italian day bota ya diferente mane sa stel mane beroepen markt bota yen mesa anto die organisation etc. anto ina bota gewoon bota pape kenen nang quizás sin cosas que te interesaba tim bota gewoon explorando. Anto ese ma by both. Anto na Italian day mi takara un cosa alla mia attenzione che chiama New Producers Academy. Anto ma by nana anto ma un a black woman period. A black woman who is with a basic parte di programma, New Producers Academy, asa kami bisa, kumay, you know, why are you here? Ando sa kumisa papia, maybe si, di boneiro, ando mi do producer, blah blah. E di kumi wait, tem senhora, tem chamo que também bisa siete di Corsau. Ela yame, nasa kumisa papia. Ando I have to shout her out, so Angel. Elizabeth Francisco, producer di Corsau. Então, nós começamos a papia. Então, me dava a dizer, like, essa aqui não me que logra. É hobby great que tem programa na New Producers Academy. Então, how can I get in? Eu digo, não, não tá sunga tá passando de jogo aqui. Então, se me que vai, me se aplicada next year. Bom. Pero, dentro da conversação, ela disse a mim que tem programa também começar, é uma Generation Inclusion. A deadline da jabiana aqui, da bota jaluna, apply for it. Paso ena mane abo na busca. So, a mim saliendo foi a temporada que me tava da malu and me tá tem zoek uit com mi carreira também seguir after me tava da tem pause.
But you say less, we outside.
Sí, pero a trove cultura coisa que tava da bini com mi salu, like
But dat een terughouden.
Sim, met dat een tikje terughouden. Dus met dat okay, what if I get into it? En dan
Mino
pasigi, juist. En dan tambe gewoon hobby anxiety. Die toer ik was nee. Al final, I made it. Like, I made it. Maar make a deadline, ma aplica. Anto September. But 2 months later, I'm in.
Por ahí nadie me trata de aplausos. Pero es fine.
Nada.
Es fine, sí.
See, I got in, which esse tabata que me promise tabata conhece Elizabeth, and to then get into that, and to it estava een confirmação para mim que ok, me estava een tiki like terughoudend ainda, pero ok, niet dat ik dat punt me mes, ok, is this what I'm supposed to do? Dus hora que coisa passa, me estava me ok. I got in. Ainda een tiki manier terughoudend. Pero I got into it. Dat was een programma die 7 luna. Nos acaba na eind mei. En to it changed my life. Professionally. Pero también on a personal level. It changed my life. Not only did I step out of my comfort zone. My comfort zone dat wat trago in en die nos. Pero mabay denk algo que me da expose diferente en que existe na Holanda. People of color. Pero que dat gewoon otro velo que I was used to. Dat die más sende die nos, pero nanta wat afval via Corsau. Anto dus online. Anto I had to interact con nota binnen mijn cultura. Dus ik kon echt change my view of una más mi porbay. Anto on a professional level, mas sim a hobby course que quizás me estava sacavador de mi studie, que media en cultuur. Pero de un way of study, but dan je kon antiga maar filosofia, actual like this is how it works. Sí.
Son de mi teoría, pero minuto
Sí, exacto. Anto dus esse tature kon an kumahaya. Anto ding e programa ma conoce diferente gente atrobe outside of my culture. Que eigenlijk dat ook importante para mí. Ma conoce diferente gente que al final a motivar-me para me bij tomar stap para aplicar para New Producers Academy. Anto me tava echt dura mas eu mesmo atrobe asking can I do this? Mi pore mirando que como passa dentro all those years. Am I going to me po sustain me po kana e caminho aqui? Atrobe ik was say também mesmo com application for generation inclusion, hope anxiety, get a push. E deadline tava de horas da noite, hand in tudo 5 da tarde. And e processo tava um pouco mais largo, pues me será um in-person interview, etc. Pero mensen, I got in. And ik say ainda I'm still processing it, even though ela começa acaba, pero I'm still processing it. Pero mind you, hope in het aplicar. Não está 5 out of não sei nem quanto. Para bobo expect de 60 para gente que aplicar. Não está 5. I'm one of the 5. Bita bem de lugar, caminha com nothing. Me quero emoção.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Me tá bem em lugar, caminha com nothing oportunidade. There's barely. Anto, de comunidade que tem que bem 5,000. Pero ora ma bij fevereiro, dia 5,000.
Oh, wow.
Anto, para mim, 30 programas aqui. Anto, não sabe como botar aqui, para botar one of the best. Mas, mind you, mas ali fevereiro, mas bisa, me tá bem Holanda que com a intenção para me virar producer, para me hebben mijn eigen productiebedrijf. En toen wou ik met para lograr esse. Dus dingen proces toen ik aan maar passa dentro a trove me nem buying back.
Sorry, no minuto cosa walk it, but kijk een papier is next backstage. Thank you to the other Kevin in the background. Well, por lo menos tu Rudina in the background, o Kevin kinando, no tin Kevin in the background. See?
Pero tu recuerdan como pasa dentro for the last 5 years. Me será pasa. Para mí por llega aqui. Eigenlijk toen dit is 7 years, dan kom ik naar Holanda, pero na me será pasa. Pa me porta aqui, então pa me porta Waruyama, one of the best, kuta siyando, pa bira film producer. Tor waru guia, kuta bota coisa também kuta importante da comunidade. Anto Generation Inclusion, anto Waki New Producers Academy, the base kuta provide me a community. Hende kumi por rely riba je. Na no me seta di bo mesum cultura. Kuta bisa bo me say algo, I got you. And that's where I am, Waki.
All right.
See,
I'm sorry, people. I had to put my eyes.
Do we even have any more questions? You can't really beat that one. You can't beat that answer.
a mí te quiere un coco que point out, entonces si botar allow me para share nos conversation de ayer, que botar the hope hesitant para being ko a story di bo healthy lad. Então, for obvious reasons, so tum coco the hope personal.
Yeah.
Pero onde quando uma bisa botar a reason de combating ko conte tá para por mira com a mim caminho botar para a aqui bota guardare hobby mais tanto para você uma basali.
Yeah.
Então esse é o importante para um gente que talvez está waco, talvez atende tá mira que whatever they're going through right now, this is not the end of your story.
Let me take a shout out to Rudina for being the only one that cried in the pod and that jazz. See, stealing people's shine, yo. You gotta.
Mensen, I am emotional. I embrace it at this point. Diaku, nos mis resluit of Generation Inclusion. I cried on the stage. Dus,
Damn.
It be like that.
See,
Get
so-
used to it. And no te hasibo menos. Just know that. I even as a producer, when I think a position A, but lead everything, bo mag ta soft, bo mag yora. It just shows.
Of course.
Kuboting, but look at hasi, but I kukuraso.
So,
It's nothing wrong crying in the train and in the bus.
we'll be right back. Ay.
No, pero vooral me gusta el fact que a share y conta. So again, just applaud you per se.
Of course.
Pero también pasó toen ik had een really big milestone. Oh, okay, ik weet niet wat be that. From a few really hard years to a walkie or live up to a things and kubata yearning for
Yes.
so long.
Yes, definitely. Pero manema bisa agora também. E temporada e misera passa pa mi asa kiko mas mi que next to the career. Manema bisa, I've always been career driven. Ma bing Holanda ku ese de mente. Ora me bira malu, mi nota bata samas. Una mita kerata. Dus letterlijk, it was a tunnel. Mi nota bata mira e luz dilanti. Anto mi misera gewoon kana. Anto dingen moment ta hopi slow mi misera kana. Pero un cos importante taba ta kudinga journey. I did have a great support system. Anto I say that super important.
True.
Having people who bopori lairi baje. En no me seta necesariamente en persona, pero gewoon also someone to vent to. Of someone to give you encouragement. But we see, because I think hope you at any moment able to gewoon give up. Dus again, like y'all were a big one on that. Dus thank you. So mi te queremos a mes lo minotei aqui na. So thank you.
Thank you for being very honest. Thank you for being open. También, so yeah, a mí no sabe no ver, a mí lo porta, I'm lying. Lo me porta open así, pero conociendo Abo, being someone who not even comfortable in front of the camera like that, and also to my drempel di okay, no solamente me delante camera, pero me to go also about my health. That's not easy. So props to you.
Thank you.
But also congratulations are in order. But also Kabaskol. Like let's not forget
Congratulations
that.
on that as well.
That's
See?
not that. See,
Doe me
die
zo.
rante tu reconaki also
Sí,
Kabaskol.
financiero.
Wat die... Até a outra coisa. Watch out.
We got him. No, pero like, maneba bisa, certain things that come full circle, so tu recona que pasa, and even a trayecto nang are really kind of like, kasi this, te ora bo acaba. Like, that's nuts.
Yeah.
You can't even write that. Not even you as a filmmaker. You can't.
Tapos sa mita bisa, like, bom mister por ting habilidad of mensen zien, bom mensen konta pick up.
On the science, yeah.
Timbia, like, mabay NFF. Ook I was going through the shits that I was going through. Mabay NFF, so masinti mane, eko ilo adunami, mane ubida. Ook
algo de grab,
sí. Quizás no tanto algo de grab, pero elo yenami ku, was a joy for that moment, and if that's what it's meant to do,
then
that. Anto mita ting hopi je kos na pasa de trajectoria ku timbiak ting costa pasa ku. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to help you or give you joy or support bo dinge momento, and after that, let them go.
Some things are here for a good time, not a long time.
Sí. But some things are there. No bisa but some things are there for
Look, I gotta clip this
for
up,
a
man.
reason.
I gotta clip this up. It needs to sound good to the people that, you know, like captions or whatever.
Well, see, some things are there for a season.
See, that's
And
more
a
poetic.
reason. It depends. Tabo mas figure out the quieta.
Drake D, here for a good time, not a long time. That's what we're sticking with.
Okay.
No, but there is a reason. Kita bo why? Kita bo driving force. Kita
Now.
Escuta, see now.
Now.
So for all waki bota one of the best.
Yeah.
Kita escuta.
Which the hope is try pa mi admit.
But it is.
It is. Minutuin na ko ta gusto broma. Dus it
Tá bom, vamos.
See, it is. She's one of the selected ones. Yeah.
see. Kika ta mi why. First and foremost, pa mi saga mi lugar sa cara. Pero etapa in different wise. Pero etapa definitely me está haciendo lo que me está haciendo what dan. Pa mi abre porta pa hinenang dinos região Caribe, ABC, seguro. E não tá para pavimento para poder chegar nesse nível aqui. Film world, film industry, die ayabou aqui não, tá hobby diferente, então gap tá met hobby grande para hinenang chegar aqui. Pues, timbia bomese diz bem ulanda bem biba para poder lograr certa coisa não tem mundo aqui, no nível que ele tá respetável. E timbia conhecimento tá met gewoon lack, resources tá lack, então me tá sente of me saco me tá guided para ajuda pone brug ei pone brug ei para sunan que seguir by dilante. Sowieso bom me se sabe como tá se algo me se motivação bom me se visão para que como que logra. And ora boting essay I'm here. I'm here to help.
To get it um bom momento time para give bo tips, give bo advice for anyone watching.
To be specific, we need 3.
We need 3. I have like 5, but okay.
Best of the best.
See.
First things first, tende di bomes. And that is partir en dos, tende di bo intuition, tende di bo curva. Tende di bo intuition se se ba guiabo. E den ki colaboração bom se drenta den ki path bom se toma. Anto tende di bo curva so nós como creatives nos gusta overwork. Nos gusta tomar diferente coisas and then we can juggle it. Indústria mesmo hinca den outro com nós hobby biata overwork and not get paid enough. Pero honey, si bom stay for a long time bota cansa, no potra, and bota depend on coffee, matcha or energy drink, check yourself.
Girl, you ain't gotta
Check
do this
yourself.
like this here.
Check yourself. Vai começar a o que está passando? Bota dormindo enough? Bota bebendo suficiente água? Do you have to do tests or whatever? You have to do that. Você está começando a bom mês. A bom mês check yourself. Pero também, mesmo coisa, rondando a bom mês, correndo não kuta care pa beyond the work.
That's good.
Paso nanta by hold you accountable. Henan kuta G's there for the hype, are there to hype up whatever you gotta bring out, and then they're poof gone.
So when we deliver mais minutos e mais use pabo.
Sí, correcto. Dus
got you.
surround yourself. Importa bo família. Quizás bo não é de bo família. Quizás bo não é de bo friends, of colleagues that turn into friends.
Também tem.
So juist rondo na bo mes ko en kuta care about you like that. Another thing.
4. That's number 4.
Fallei me tem gopi. Pero develop elevator pitch.
Good one.
Ding elevator pitch bo mes sa bo what? Kiko ba asi? Of kiko ba kasi? Bo why? No, right back. But what? But how? But how? But where? But with whom? And the but why?
What, how, where, with whom, why?
Sí. Kiko bata si, como bata si, unda bata si, Kiko.
Quem bota assim?
Quem boke assim, pa quem boke assim, pero também de como bata si. Então de conta hope importante, mas esse aí também esta maneira do não é maneira. Wow, okay, que te inspirar me.
Sí, but touch with two reasons e com when lo hace anything.
Sí.
Gotcha.
Então, vooral se você vai aplicar em programa na maneira Generation Inclusion, maneira New Producer Academy, por me se manda motivação, se ata vídeo of the skibi, que men se botin elevator pitch bota amplia depende para kiko bota coisa. Ora bota vai network também, esse também é muito importante. Eu te lago impact atrás. Yes. E também, mesmo segue into that, connect. By
Events.
By festivals, by bottles. Nós não gusta bottles. Sim, nós não gusta bottles, pero dentro do mundo criativo, you have to. And it's a practice. It takes home practice. Ora babai, bota comprender, okay, this is how it works. Okay, mita se saki, mita se say. You know? Dus, sí. Quero só me falta pero...
No, that's 5. Bagura passa much a dia. But that's really good. That's really good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Rudina say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Style, eh?
No. Ting. Sowieso, sa. Mita querer, mayang mes, mita pensa, mi pura bisa aqui também.
You're
Pero
6 to
So no
10.
sabes anything, you'll find her in the comments.
Sa, so si bukit may Rudina trobe, you know?
yeah.
All at her.
Si me mas being, talk more about the journey of in ieder geval die. San que está más die industria, I'm more than open.
Sí, they get it.
Eigenlijk met work one-on-one better, dus DM me of so, I don't know. Beside me, hey, let's grab coffee. Mita wag de mi schedule como tem que, pero,
Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Things are good.
Thank you. Thank you for your honesty. Thank you for your openness. Thank you for your tips. We gonna write them down. I'm definitely gonna run this back and definitely write some things down. Go be the last about the elevator pitch. I think it's very important. For that time, I will connect with people to buy stuff, will buy events, will buy as a quote unquote bottle, bendita bottle A. But nothing hope tempo usually pa bo papi ko hende ba something. So but you connect them with them on a personal level, pero ora ye ka tempo about business, you have to be able to communicate precies. Kiko bata si di como bata si ku kem bata si, kior bata si, di no own bata si.
Ando bono se bij letterlijk wat dat op een hende na een bar en dat si wat dat gewoon feel it out and to ask questions wat dat kon desa pero eta bom pa definir pa so ori wat in keki ding and der mas po papier mas fácil eta bira.
In question the preparation. For when it goes pasa, bom is that ready.
Sí. Vooral si wat starting out y eta queda importante. Eta queda importante sempre hinan the right people ta busca gente com visão. Which is why por me setting ik gooi gewoon defined. So.
Okay.
Hope
So now-
gems. Hope gems.
Thank you, Angel. Time about great questions, the insight. My able do a great job.
Thank you.
Do I have to tell you that? So I'm thinking now. Hope I'm listening to money. So you know, it's not because I was just listening. I was like, oh shit, they getting this shit off. That's fire. Nós trabalhamos com um little vibe outro vez. Isso aqui não é uma vibe de Bonaire, pero it's off the same EP, same album. Isso aqui tá Nami Umang by Wiwi, Yoncha, Daddy J, and KJ. I think it's a little slap.
Hey.
Shonang. Thank you, Rudina. Thank you, Angel. Thank you for your sonho, Tinang. Você não gostava?
Kubo nami yung mami da nabe back me mistério yung ene do nada respeta me que subi top.
Basta sa kaba, like,
Shout out
subscribe,
to
share.
Yoncha.
Shout out to Yoncha. I don't know who that is, but that's hard. See, this song is hard as hell.
Kubo nami yung mami da nabe back me mistério yung ene do nada
Hey,
respeta me que subi
hey.
top pero me com me left. Cada medo com me ai uma puta set. Dá me samdan em vida.
Ito ba siya nasa kita Nami Umang? Off of the Vibe di Bonaire EP.
Hey. Kubo nami yung mami da nabe back me
Danke pa Tene, danke pa Wak, danke pa Share, danke na Rudina, danke na Angel. Real tears, real conversations, real bars. I don't know Rudina no art kasi. That's a joke, so don't clip that up. Pero make sure you guys support, make sure you guys share on those. So when getting mira albums, but these songs, whatever it is, connect with us na unang Angel.
At OnBrand Podcast, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, sometimes. Follow nos in nos socials na apart at by Undertone.
By Undertone.
Rudina. RVDINA.
And slide in her DMs if you have any questions. Yes.
Nung sa ito babasa next episode.
See you. Bye.
Cada um beat com minha é uma puta seta. Dá-me samdan em vida, game é sua rotina, minha mama.